Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about rainy day craft ideas. So I took few glue sticks, umbrella, scissors, cotton bud and few cutout of A4 size paper that the children will stick on the umbrella. That craft idea I'm just going to show you, so keep watching. So the first thing I did was put glue on the umbrella, on the top of the umbrella, and make sure you make them understand that what they have to do first. So put the glue first and then stick all the A4 size paper. I've taken 3 different colors so they can decorate the umbrella themselves. Every children has their own way of decorating whatever you give them. So my 4-year-old wanted to use the same color and my 2-year-old wanted to use different colors, and each child's mind is different, so they can take enough time to decorate what they want to do and how creative they want to get. So as I was introducing the letter U, I thought of making an umbrella and telling them how umbrella is helpful while you have rainy days. So after that I have cut a few cotton buds. So why I took cotton buds? So they can have the concept of rain. Okay, so cut the end parts of the cotton bud and put glue, and they had to paste all the cotton bud on the top. They were really interested on how rain can look like. My toddler was curious that what should we do with the rest of the cotton bud. So instantly I thought that why don't we decorate the lower part of the umbrella with it. So then I put the glue on it, and then he started sticking and made a stick of an umbrella with the help of the rest of the cotton bud. So you can be creative yourself, as mothers at home are creative with their food and being creative with other things around the house. So be creative, and as creative as you will be, the more interested your child will be whatever you are teaching them. So this was an instant thought that why don't we decorate the umbrella with the stick. It will look like a 3D effect of an umbrella. Doesn't matter, every child is different, and as a 2-year-old, a child will take time to explore and understand. So if he or she is taking enough time to put things, don't tell them to be fast about things. Just let them take their time and understand what they're doing, because in this kind of things you need patience. And yes, sometimes you cannot have patience. Even I don't have patience, but try to be patient when you are teaching them something. Don't tell them, no, you have to do this. No. Give them some time to understand what they're doing and what needs to be done. They are still exploring, their minds are still exploring. So yeah, this is how we did the rainy day craft idea. There's one more rainy day craft idea that I have done earlier, so I'll leave the link of that in the description box. Yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.